everyone, welcome back to my channel. In previous video I had told you about MySQL having clause. So today's topic is limit clause. It is used to restrict the number of rows returns from the result set rather than the fetching the whole set in MySQL databases. Okay, and it is especially beneficial for the large databases and it will improve the query performance. Okay, so let's see what is the syntax. So here is the syntax: select column name from table name where condition limit number. Okay, so here is the example: retrieve the first 4 rows from the table, select asterisk from customers limit 4. So let's open your terminal. This is the persons table. I'm writing here query select asterisk from persons limit 3. Okay, so here is showing all the first 3 row of the persons table, id 1 2 3. Okay, like this we can use limit clause. So here is showing only 3 rows. So let's talk about with another example. So I am writing here query select asterisk from persons limit 5. Okay, so here is showing first 5 rows from the table. Okay, like this we can add limit in our query. So let's see what's next. So here is the example: retrieve rows from 6 to 10 from a table. Okay, so here we will add offset specified that query should start from 6th row. So here is the example: select asterisk from employees limit 2 offset 3. Okay, so here is showing limit 2 which is shows only 2 row. Okay, and offset 3 which specifies that query should start from the 4th row. Okay, so our output should be id 4 and 5. So here is showing our output is id 4 and 5. Okay, all the data of id 4 and 5. So like this we can add offset in our query. Let's check it in the terminal. Open your terminal. So here is the persons table. I'm writing here query select asterisk from persons limit, enter a limit condition, and I'm writing here offset. So here offset specified that query should start from the 4th row. Okay, so let's see what is the output. So here is showing id 4 and 5, all the data of id 4 and 5. Okay, because offset starts from the 4th row. Okay, so here is showing limit 2 which is 2 row from the table persons. Like this we can add offset in our query. So let's talk about with another example. Select asterisk from persons limit, enter your condition. Here I'm writing here 4, let's suppose, and I'm adding here again offset. So offset 5. So here offset specifies that query should start from the 6th row. So here is showing all the data of 6 7 8 9. Okay, so here is showing all 4 rows from the persons table and it is start from 6th row because I have added offset here. Okay, offset 5 means query should start from the 6th row. Okay, so that's why here is showing all the data of id 6 7 8 9. So let's talk about with another example. So retrieve the top 3 customers from order table. So select customer id sum order total as total orders from orders, group by customer id, order by total orders decreasing order, and limit 3. Okay, so let's check it in the terminal. Open your terminal. So here is the persons table and I'm writing here query select id. I'm adding here aggregate function which is sum age from table name which is persons, and group by id. Okay, again I'm adding here order by clause. So I'm writing here order by id DESC which is in decreasing order limit 3. Okay, so here is showing all the 3 row in decreasing order, id in decreasing order 11 10 9. Okay, like this we can use order by in limit clause. So if you have any query then you can ask me in the comment section below. Here are the key points of limit clause. If you want to retrieve the rows beyond a certain point, then you can use offset keyword, and it is also powerful tool for pagination. Okay, so if you have any query then you can ask me in the comment section below. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.